Hello. This video go to the international community. It go to the UN, it go to the UK, it go to the UK, it go to the Canada, it go to everybody. We are here to tell you that the government of South Sudan doesn't respect you. He doesn't see you like something because they know the only thing you will do is write letters. And the more you write letters, the more my people are dying. The more Nuer are dying, the more are being killed, the more are being bombed. And you see now they're even denying your report. You gave the report before Makweli has refused. You gave another report now. The Uganda are saying this is not true. So we are dying as if we deserve to die. We just want you people to know that we even start thinking that maybe you are siding with these people. We start thinking maybe you are siding them because condemning every minute, you condemn. How many times will you condemn? The government of South Sudan doesn't need condemned document. They need action. Why is one tribe being killed because they are just Nuer? And you are seeing it. Museveni is bringing the weapons daytime. During the day, he doesn't even hide. And his son Muhozi comes out and brag about it. And today they are denying it. Is it that my tribe doesn't have red blood? Is it that are we? Who are we? The whole world have gang up against one tribe because that it looks like you are supporting these people. It looks like the international community is enjoying what is going on because my people cannot be killed every single day. Why are other countries, when there's a problem in other countries, people have come out and support. But when there's a problem in Nuerland, the government of South Sudan can continue to kill us. The government of Uganda can continue to kill us. Are we not human beings? Are we not part of the world? We just want to know. Especially, I want UN to tell me, we don't want you to feed us with food. No. We want to be safe. We are tired of this suffering every minute. It's either in Nasser. It's either in Akobo. It's either in Ayot. Why will only an ethnic group being killed and being targeted? And you only come and write documents? I'm not even seeing any sanction. Salva Kiir need to be sanctioned. Makweli need to be sanctioned. Atenuekate need to be sanctioned. And you saw very well, when there are people who are killed in Abiemnom, what did they do? They all came out and say no. Because we deserve to die. When our children are killed, they say we are terrorists. Are we terrorists? We need the whole world to tell us. Because I don't understand. I don't understand myself. What is it? And we're not human beings? Do we have 20 legs or we have only the 10 leg? I am so heartbroken. I am so tired. And I've confirmed there's no human right. If there's human right, Nuer will not be dying like dogs. If there's human right, my people will not be killed with chemical weapons. If there's human right, my children will not be on street, in the wilderness. Women are giving birth in rivers. Why? Why? Why is one ethnic group called Nuer tribe suffering in South Sudan? Why? UN, is there human rights really? What is human right to you? What does human right, or the Nuer people don't deserve human right? Amnesty International, don't we deserve human right? Civil rights defenders, don't we deserve human right? America, Trump, are you seeing what is happening? What is up? Why is one community suffering? Why is one tribe suffering? Why are Nuer suffering? What did we do to this world? What did we do? What did we do? What did we do to anybody? We don't even steal. We're not corrupt. We don't do corruption. We don't kill people alive. We only do self-defense. Why will my tribe suffer? The whole world, I want to be answered. And to the Israelite, at least we are together. We have a lineage. If the whole world have gone against the Nuer tribe, then you, the Israelite, can come out The Ethiopians know who we are. Why don't Ethiopia not coming out to even see what we are going through? Ethiopia, what is happening to you? Why are the whole world killing us and you are there? Israel, why is the whole world killing us and you are there? Why? Why is one tribe dying in the whole world? And nobody cares about us. It's like the dogs that are dying. Are we dogs? Are we animals? Don't we deserve to survive? Don't we deserve to live? For how many years? Since 2013, my people have been suffering. Women have been suffering. It's been death. Every day we just bury our women, our children. Why is one tribe suffering the whole world? Why? Why? Is it because we were so strong during the colonization, nobody colonized us? Is it that's the reason that we should be killed now? And we should know so that we know the whole world is fighting us because we have confirmed everybody have gang against the Nuer people. The UN will only come out and issue document. The Trikers, you only come out to issue document. Everybody is coming out in the... We don't need documents anymore. South Sudan government need action. President Kiir need action. President Museveni need action. We want to be free. President of Kenya, Your Excellency, Ruto, we need help. How can one tribe die in the whole country? Why? You arrest Dr. Riek so that you can be able to finish us like this? Why? Why is one tribe suffering? We are dying. There's all the oil that comes from our area is being eaten. It's being corrupt. We are eating water lily. Our women are suffering in the water every day looking for water lily to eat. Our children are dying because of oil. They are being deformed. They are giving birth to deformed children. And we are not even saying anything. We are still keeping quiet. And you want to wipe us out. If you wipe the Nuer out in the whole world, what will you achieve? If you manage to kill all the Nuer in the whole world, what will you achieve? God, why? Even God, you are not seeing what is happening to us. How can one tribe be targeted God and you are keeping quiet? What is it? Why? Why is one county suffering like this? Why? The whole world, I need to be answered. You need to answer me. Trikers country, you need to answer me. The UK, you need to answer me. Commonwealth, where are you? What is the work of Commonwealth? What is the work of African Union? What is the work of UN? Why can you not protect one single tribe? I am tired. I am tired of seeing my children, my brothers, my sisters, my mothers dying every day. I am tired. I am tired. Salva Kiir is killing us. He's killing one tribe. Why? And everybody's keeping quiet. You are just issuing documents. You need to bomb this place. You need to bring down Salva Kiir leadership. He deserves to die. He deserves to go. He deserves to die. Salva Kiir and Museveni deserve to die. They have killed enough in my tribe. Even Mama Rebecca said before that she went to President Museveni 7 times. And the 8th one, she was like, why are you killing one tribe in South Sudan? What have we done as the Nuer people? What did we do to be killed? We want the world to answer us. So that we know when we are dying, the whole world have gang up and they want to kill us. That is it. We need to know. Tell us if you have decided to kill and eliminate the Nuer in the whole world.